I have already posted the unboxing and review of the Honor Band 6 in my YouTube channel and I have had an amazing response. Thank you so much for that. Now that the Band 6 has been released in India, by the time of this video you might have the price. I have been using it for almost 1.5 months and in this video I like to present the top 6 reasons to buy the Band 6. So make sure to watch the video until the end and also do subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get into this. The Honor Band 6 has a massive 1.47-inch AMOLED display, which is a significant improvement over the Honor Band 5's 0.95-inch display. Because of the huge 1.47-inch screen, the display area is 148% greater than traditional fitness trackers, giving you a better visual experience. The screen resolution has increased to 368 by 194 pixels. The display is activated by either a wrist gesture or by pressing a physical button on the sides. The level of oxygen in your blood is an important measure of your overall health. Tiredness, lack of energy, and memory loss are all symptoms of low blood oxygen. Low blood oxygen levels over an extended period of time can harm your brain, heart, and other organs. To properly detect blood oxygen level, the Honor Band 6 combines enhanced optical hardware and software algorithms. Honor Band 6 is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Honor Band 6 supports smart 24-hour heart rate monitoring and the user can track heart rate changes throughout the day. Set the alert value for low or high heart rate in advance, and when the conditions are met, the band will send a prompt warning to remind users to take actions. Thanks to TrueScene 4.0 all-day heart rate monitoring. The Honor Band 6 includes a variety of fitness modes for tracking physical activities like running, walking, cycling, and other sports activities. Even if you want to work out underwater, the Honor Band 6 will accurately record your results for future references. It measures swimming efficiency and determines personal heart rate zones. It can also detect activity automatically if the user forgets to switch it on for some reasons. With so many band face options available in the watch face store, you can change your band face at any time to suit your personal style. Set an album photo as your personalized watch face to express yourself. In addition, the Huawei Health app provides a wide range of watch faces from the Honor watch stores. Other notable features include the activity reminders, automatic stress tests, weather reports, and so on. And lastly, with a battery capacity of 180 mAh, the Honor Band 6 may last up to 10 days in intensive usage instances. Users can get 3 days of battery life from 10 minutes of charge. With sleep tracking, constant heart rate monitoring, notifications, and a daily alarm clock, not more than 12% of the charge goes away per day. Charging is done via a magnetic cable and fast charging is supported. In the end, a full charge takes about an hour, but nevertheless it is still fast enough. The Honor Band 6 is a very appealing fitness tracker. The Huawei equivalent clearly has a nicer overall appearance, but for the money you are getting a solid fitness tracker experience overall. The larger display also makes it a lot more enjoyable to use. As a whole, there is enough that works with the Honor Band 6 to make it a viable alternative to Xiaomi, Samsung, Amazfit, and even Fitbit's cheaper fitness trackers. Do let me know what are your thoughts about the Band 6 in the comment section below. That's it from me today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. With that being said, I'm Manish. You're watching Technspice. We'll catch you in the next one. Until then, bye.